Today, I want to take this opportunity to thank the Almighty God for the just concluded case, for the judgment that has been read today by Honorable Bernard Ochoi. I want to take this opportunity to thank Senior Counsel James Orengo, Advocate Duncan Okach for the great job he has done, Advocate Elisha Ongoya, Advocate Ndegwa Njiru, who's also taken his time to be here with us, who has helped me in several other cases and also this case. And I really want to thank members of the press. I also want to thank members of the public for the patience they've had with me in this case. And also, most importantly, I also want to thank my wife and my family members for the great support they accorded me during this trial. Also want to thank DJ Evolve, Felix Odhiambo Orinda, for being my friend, for always being there for me. And I want to say that this judgment has gone the way the Almighty God wanted it to go. That is how God wanted it to go. And I want to say that the day that I will be victorious is the day that I will see DJ Evolve walk, stand by my side. And I want to assure DJ Evolve and members of the public, I will walk by DJ Evolve's side. I will always be there for him. And in fact, I'm planning to take him to India for further treatment. And I'm praying to the Almighty God to grant Felix both the physical and spiritual strength to heal Felix and to ensure that Felix walks in the near future. I want to leave it at that and thank the Almighty God once again for this judgment, and may God bless everyone.